This video is about the summation formula. Rather than add all consecutive numbers in a summation by hand or by calculator, we can simply find our answer by simple multiplication and division. Summation is defined as the total of the series of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... plus all the way to n can be found by using the formula n times n plus 1 all divided by 2. Practice problems. Summation of I equal 1 all the way to 10. From the previous slide we can see that n is equal to 10. Our summation formula is n times n plus 1 all divided by 2. Now 10 times 11 divided by 2 is equal to 55. The summation of I equal 1 all the way to 21. And then of course with our summation formula, n times n plus 1 all divided by 2, we can substitute 21 for n. Now 21 times 22 divided by 2 is equal to 231. The last practice problem, summation of I equal to 1 all the way to 50. With our summation formula, n times n plus 1 all divided by 2, we can substitute 50 for n. Now 50 times 51 divided by 2 is equal to 1275. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate you giving your time watching this video. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Have a good day.